Hi guys, and welcome to this Photoshop tips video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to use Font Awesome in Photoshop. Now, what is Font Awesome? Font Awesome is selections of absolutely amazing vector icons that you can scale up and scale down, and there's, pretty much one for every occasion here. I use them an awful lot in my Bootstrap web building sites, and you can use them with WordPress. You can insert them into WordPress, but today we're going to show you how to use them with Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to fontawesome.io, get started, and I'll put this link down below this video so you can just copy it and paste it if you need to. Once here, let's go down to download and customize. We'll just scroll down the page a bit here. Hit the download button. Let's have the free version, just Font Awesome 4. I won't use 5 just yet. And it's downloading it to our taskbar here. Okay, once you have that downloaded, let's go to the folder where it's downloaded. It'll be a zip file. So let's just extract it. And you'll see this little folder here. If we open it up, we want to go to the fonts folder. And inside there, we're going to see an OTF file, or an open type font file. And we want to install this to our computer. So we right click and go down to install. I've already got it installed, so I won't do that, but just hit that install. It will install it quickly for you. And this will enable you to use it not only in Photoshop, but also in Office products such as Word or PowerPoint if you decide to do that. So we've got our Font Awesome installed on our computer now. Let's open up Photoshop. And we'll create a new tab. Let's do it, say, there we go. Now we need to select a text box. So you can either hit T or just hit T on your keyboard. It'll do the same thing. Now what we want to do is we want to copy the font that we want to use. So we need to go to the Font Awesome cheat sheet here, and again this link will be below this video, and just select whatever font or whatever icon you choose to use here. It really is up to you. You just want the icon. You do not want the text that's beside it there. You just want the icon itself. So highlight that, left click and highlight, then right click and copy. Let's go back to our Photoshop once you've got it copied. Now we've got our text box going here, so just click and hit paste, Control V. And that's white, so we can't see a thing. So let's just change the color of that by selecting it and change the color to black. There we go. And that looks absolutely nothing like the font that we downloaded. Let's have a look at the font we downloaded. Should look like an address book. A little person there. And the reason is we've got to select the correct font. So we go up to our fonts here. Now we've got it Font Awesome installed. If you had Photoshop open already, you'll need to close it and reopen it after you've installed your Font Awesome. Let's find it in F's. And with our little text highlighted here, there's Font Awesome Regular. We'll just hit that, and as you can see, it's changed it to that little icon. Now all we need to do is hit enter, not the return key, the enter key, usually on the bottom right hand side of your keyboard, and there's our little icon. And as I say, these are scalable vectors, so you can hit Control T and make them larger or smaller with no change or no pixelation as they get larger or smaller, which is fantastic. When you're happy, just hit the enter again. Now these you can treat like any other image or any other text. You can add effects to them. Let's go down to our little effects box there. Let's add a color overlay. Let's make it blue. And you can add a drop shadow. And any other effect you like. Give it a stroke. There you go. And how's that for a good looking icon? And obviously you can use these icons in your advertising images, your Facebook pictures, anything you need to use. You can use all these icons, and there are a lot of them. There's a huge amount of icons. Just scroll down, you look at all these. You got one for every occasion. Let's just copy another one, put another one in there. Control C to copy back to our Photoshop. Get our text highlighter, put our cursor up, paste what we've just copied in there. There it is, because we've got the correct font selected up there. It's come up with the correct icon. Hit the enter button. There it is. Scale it. Now if you hold the shift key down, it'll keep the dimensions for you. If you want to make it fatter or wider, don't hold the shift key down. You can make it longer or you can make it wider, however you want to do it. And again, as with everything else, you can give it a shadow or whatever effect you want to give it. Give it a color overlay to make it red. And do exactly the same as you did with the other one. It's really easy to do, and these are so useful, these icons. They really are. They're fantastic to use. And they really will make your images and graphics stand out. So I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial. Font Awesome, have a look at it. Go to their site, check out their fonts. Like I say, I use them all the time in web design and they're really, really good. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing a lot more with Photoshop tips as we go along. If you're interested in web design, then have a look below at some of our courses. We've got some great premium courses heavily discounted for our YouTube subscribers. And there's also some great free courses down there also. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.